back to the channel, Glam Squad. I'm so happy to see you today, and you are looking fantastic, may I say. So check this out. I did some shopping. So these are some things I got from the a little store here close to my house. And so I ran in there and picked a few things up, starting with these little buffers. They're so adorable. They came in a huge sheet, but of course those sheets fall apart. Then I got these little sanding bands, and I also got this little dapping dish, one of those little ones that you press down and the liquid comes up, and I'm gonna use it for alcohol. And then I got these things, guys. This is some DNC DC cat eye polish and my first glitter gel from Elegance. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna come in with this first color, which is Turkish Angora. Now these are cat eyes, like I said. This pink one is a little more subtle, but that blue one, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's grab our little thingy, magnet, and then make our little line. Now, of course, you can do lots of things, but this is a swatch, so we're just gonna do the simple line. Look how cute that is, though. Look how cute that is. Now, we are gonna do a second coat, but let's check out the blue first. And this one is Master Bombay, and it's kind of a deeper, almost midnighty blue. Now, before you do the cat eye situation, it's very silvery, and especially on the second coat, I'll point it out. You can really see it happening. It is so amazing to watch. And I bet you can see it here too, but on that second coat, like, oh, look at that. Oh, look, did you see that? And that's one coat, you guys. Now, like I said, this pink one, Turkish Angora, it is a little more subtle. Still really gorgeous, and I can't wait to play with the different ways that you can manipulate the polish. So look forward to some videos on that. And I'm going to tell you guys, even with just swatching, I can already tell I'm really going to like this polish. I'm absolutely going back and picking up more, because the consistency and texture of it reminds me so much of the CND Creative Play, which up until now has been my 100% favorite polish I've ever used. Gel or regular, hands down, favorite thing I've ever used. So if you get a chance to get some, get it. I want to buy every color they have, and I want to try their other lines as well. But this is very similar. Look at this. Look guys. Look at how it... You just see those silver particles suck away. It is so cool. So now the light elegance we got is called Mermaid. I did open it a little already. Me and my daughter wanted to look at it. I couldn't resist. I had to look at it. And I snapped my other daughter who wasn't there with us, but look at that. Blue, teal, pink, maybe even a little purple in there. All of them a little bit holographic. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's swatch it. Now, since filming this, I have used this, and you'll see that on Monday. And I want to say, when you use it on top of a color, the effect is even more intense, because you have a background and you're not seeing any see-through quality. But I have to say, I like it with the see-through background as well, the clear background. So there's so many ways you're going to be able to use this. And the consistency is gorgeous and lovely. The gel is nice and thin and easy to spread, which is what you want with this kind of a situation. You don't want a ton of glitter in a thick gel. That's just not easy to work with. I love the consistency. I love the shine factor. I love how easy it is to work with. And this shop I went to had a really good price on each bottle, or jar rather, so I definitely will be picking up more. I'm so glad I found this little shop. There's also a place online that I know I can order it too, but it's nice to drive 10 minutes away and go shopping, right? I enjoy that experience as well. So, look at that, look. And my black glove behind it gives it a really cool, like that's what it would look like kind of on a black background. That's pretty, guys. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot. These are the 3 colors. And now we are going to go ahead and crack open some other things that I ordered from Amazon. And here they are. We've got some Modelones. This is just, we're not going to swatch it here or anything. I just wanted to show you how pretty that box is. It's the top coat, base coat, matte coat situation. And I really am a sucker for packaging, guys. So I wanted to just show you real quickly. I love the Art Deco-y sort of vibe to that box. I think it's just super pretty. Now the other two things we have is some builder gel by Swatching, and then we've also got a polish set from Modelones, but we're going to crack into the Swatching real quick. I do want to point out this box is exactly like the Mermaid box, like exactly. The things that came with it are exactly the same things that I got in the Mermaid box. I do want to say the consistency of the gel is a tiny bit different though. This one is much more stringy, and all gels are sticky, but some gels are a different level of sticky, like a Tootsie Roll is sticky, but then taffy is also sticky, but harder, more sticky, right? You know what I mean? And it's like that. It's more sticky and more stringy. So I'm not saying that I think they're the same company or anything. Although at first I was like, this seems like maybe, because like Born Pretty has different actual lines, right? They've got the Your Sugar and a couple of other things. So it's very possible this could be the same company but different lines. And that just the box and the way everything was packaged gave me those vibes. But the consistency of the gel is a little different. And I honestly wish, I think I had the box upside down and I wish I'd let this settle a bit before I opened it. You're gonna see here when I pull this back how sticky and stringy it is. So I do cut out all the part where I cleaned all this up and got everything off that, because it was look at my gloves, crazy. I have to change my gloves out, but look at how fast it self-levels in that jar. That is a really nice self-level, and it actually self-levels pretty nicely in this nail as well. Now I will say it's a little stickier than some of my other gels, or other gels that I've used. I really am running low on gels, and I want to try a whole bunch more. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss those videos. But you can see it's very thick and it's very stringy. And its sticky factor is different than other gels. It's just a little more sticky. But once you get the feel of it and how to, just manipulate it and play with it and press it around the nail, which is really you're floating it around more, it starts to get a little easier. And the clarity on it seems to be very nice. You do have to be careful. It holds onto the bubbles quite a lot, but a lot of gels do that. So honestly, that's a matter of getting your technique down, and I know that that is something I need to work on as well. But I don't dislike it. It's pretty. So the next thing that we are going to work with or check out or swatch is this set called Retro Lady from Modelones, and it's the ones in the square bottles that I like so much. I've got another set of these, and when I saw, and I'm going to check before I put this video up and see if it's still that price, but when I bought it, I had it on my list already. You get a big long studio list, and when I was going through my list looking for something to purchase, I noticed that it was only $8 for the whole set. And I was like, $8, shut up, get in my cart. And so I couldn't resist that. So definitely don't forget to keep an eye on your lists and look at those prices, because they change frequently, and you want to catch those deals when you find them, because they don't always stay those prices. But because it was $8, that's why I picked this set, and I'm not upset. The colors are really pretty, and honestly, certain ones are going to work really well for different parts of the season, and I'm going to have a good time with that. Take a screenshot if you want to join this little community. There you go. And it looks like you can get samples and stuff, so if you're interested in that, take a screenshot of that so you can do that. Now that I've removed those and opened all the bottles, let's go ahead and swatch them. I did want to mention really quickly though that I feel the same way about these colors as I do the other set of square bottle polishes that I have. The formula is lovely, it applies lovely, they cure nice. You do need a nice thin coat, but I have always enjoyed these polishes, and this set is no different. This is my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed those swatches. I do want to say I expected the light Elegance to be my favorite, but I think those cat eye polishes are my favorite. I enjoyed everything though. I'm absolutely thrilled with everything I got. Let me know what your favorite was in the comment section below, and don't forget to click on my buttons while you're down there. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.